Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars. In this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 17th, 2022, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. We have three puzzles left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And this one is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 5496. Alright, 5496. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve for that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 4 2s. All right. We have here 2 3s, 1 4, 3 4 5s. All right, the 2s and the 5s. 3 6s, 2 7s, 1 8, 3 4 9s. All right, so the 2s, the 4s, and the 9s. Sorry, the 2s, the 5s, and the 9s are in majority. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 2? The 2 in this column, last column. The 2 in that column. So the column between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this row. No 2 there. Here 2 in this. Sorry. The 2 in the last row. So no 2 there. The 2 in the row above. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this column should be there. 5 2s, okay. 2 2 2 2 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 2. Well, now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the 9? The 9 in this column. The 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 9 should be there. Still cannot continue with the. Well, we have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about the 5 then? 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. 5 5 5 5 5. Well, cannot continue with the 5 now. Let me see for the other digits. 3 3 3 3 7 7 7 7. Well, we have a 3 and a 7 as a pair. Let me see. Six, six. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One, 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 one. Well. Three missing numbers in this row. The second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So one digit left in this row for number 3. 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 6, 6, 1, 7. Oh, wait. 3, 3. Let me put some numbers. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this row. So no 7 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 there, so here can be 3. 3 should be here. And the 7, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 and a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. We have a 7 and 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 3, 7 and a 3. Alright. Let me think. 8, 4, 1, 6. 1, 6. 8, 4, 1, 6. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 7 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. So we have a pair 1. No. 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in last row. So the row be 3. No, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Right, we go back to the 2s, I believe. Yeah. So we have a 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see Digit number two. All right. Let me see. The 9, I cannot continue. How about the 5 then? 5. Oh, here should be the 5. Yeah. Should be the 5. Oh, all right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Well, here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first column. Row is not a column. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We already have a 5 here in this row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, so I need to wait here for the 5s. Okay, here the 5s. Okay. Then how about the 3? No. Well, 3. Okay. 3. Here also 3. And 3. Okay, need to wait. 8 and 4. Okay, need more numbers of the 8 and the 4s, and yeah, 8 and 4s. Okay, here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, no 1 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Right. 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. All right. 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 should be also 4 and 8 in the last column. So 4 and 8, and the 1 is missing here. Okay, 1. Need a 1 here. Here also 4 and 8. Oh, 4 and 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, all right. 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this. No. We have 3 missing numbers. Yeah, need a 5 here. How about those 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. First column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4, 4, 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. About these two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 1, 4, 8, 4, 4, 4. 4 should be here. 1, 8, and 5, 5, 5. 1, 8, and a 5. 1, 8, and a 5. 1, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 3, 7, 4, 8. Yeah. 4, 4. Come on. We have all the 7s. No, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. Alright. Here, 4 and 8. 4, 8, and 5. Okay. 1 digit left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have an 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here in the last column. And the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Do we have all the 9s? Yes. 1 box left in this last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have 8 now in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4, the 5, 4, the 5. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Again, so is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the Czechsonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.